Hey guys, we're over at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. We have a 2018 Fiat 500 Lounge. We went ahead and installed a Kenwood doubled-in stereo, and we also added a front view camera and Sirius XM. Let's go inside. Let me show you how it works. Alrighty. So, this Kenwood is wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, as well as Android mirroring. The car does have an original USB port here in the center console, and we retain that for wired Apple CarPlay as well as a thumb drive. And then the car also has a USB port here in the glove box that does charging only, and that's still working. When I go ahead and plug in my iPhone, again, I'm not doing wireless CarPlay because it's not my vehicle, so the client can go ahead and pair his phone once he gets in here. But I'm going to show you how the factory USB does get retained, and we still keep CarPlay. Bam. Now you can do a couple of really cool things here. We integrated the steering controls, so if I press and hold track up, I get tire pressure information. Track down, I get vehicle gauges. I also integrated the original reverse camera, and when you rotate the wheel, you keep the active lines. This car also has original sensors, and those are retained too, so you can hear them. And then you can also see the visual display right here on the gauge cluster. If I put it in drive, the front camera will automatically activate. So no extra, gizmos or gadgets to mess with. Full volume and stations work on the steering wheel, and you have everything on touchscreen. And then, if you didn't want to touch anything, you could also just do it via voice. Hey Siri, take me to Avenue Sound in Freeport.
Just a sec. Getting directions to Avenue Sound.
And there you have it. We also integrated Sirius XM satellite radio. Come down to Avenue Sound or visit us on the web at www.avenuesound.com, Facebook, YouTube, or follow us on Instagram.